Dear friends, I am Abraham Cherian. Welcome to my spoken English classes. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon above. Nowadays, you can see a number of classes in YouTube channels taken by different persons and institutions. Most of them claim that they can teach you to speak English within a few weeks, few months, etc. But actually their claims are not correct. It is not possible to learn a new language within months or weeks. It will take years to speak English or any other foreign language properly and correctly. Any language other than the mother tongue can be learned only step by step. It will take years to study any language properly. That's also the case of English. These institutions and myself are taking classes just as the foundation. Anybody can give you the foundations, and after that it is you to do the rest. Any teacher or any coach who give you training can give only certain advices by giving foundations to your course. It is on the part of you to do the rest by practice and by taking our advice properly. If you want to study the language, especially English language or any language, you should understand that it is not a subject, but it is a skill. So, English language or spoken English, learning spoken English is a skill and not a subject. It is a soft skill. It is not easy. Any soft skill can be learned only by practice and patience. So, if you want to study or if you want to learn English properly, you should bear it in mind certain points. First of all, you should have the attitude for learning any skill like dancing, music, or fine arts, painting, etc. You should have an attitude towards that particular subject or particular art or craft. It is a skill. If you want to study a skill properly, you should have an attitude. Without proper attitude towards that particular subject or particular art, you cannot be a master in that particular art. So, the attitude, I want to study it, I want to become a master in it, I want to find my future in it. You should take a decision that I want to study it properly. Then only that attitude. If you haven't got that particular attitude to study or learn it properly, you will not be going a success. So bear it in mind, you should have an attitude to study spoken English. The second one, practice. Any skill can be properly studied by practice and practice alone. Proper practice should be given. You do it again and again and again. Always you should do it. I have already told you there are certain classes or all these classes, we are only giving the foundations to you. Just like the schools and the institutions are arranging 1 day or 2 or 3 days workshop. All this workshop they name it as spoken English classes. But by attending this workshop, you will be getting some foundations, some advices to start with. But it is you. There is no shortcut or no way by which you can learn or be a master in any art. As I told you earlier, you should take it as a foundation. You should start doing again and again and again. So suppose you are doing it properly and doing it practically, then only you can become a master. So the point you have to bear it in mind in that it is only my class or anybody class is only a foundation. It is you to build the whole building on the foundation. We cannot do anything after that. By giving advice or giving classes, you will not be able to attain anything. If you want to become a master, you should bear it in mind. You should think that you yourself should do it properly. നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ശ്രമിച്ച്, നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി, നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും പരിശ്രമിച്ച് ആ ലക്ഷ്യത്തിലെത്തിച്ചേരണം. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ആദ്യം ഇതിനൊരു അഡ്വൈസ് തരാൻ, ഒരു ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ തരാൻ മാത്രമേ സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. ഈ ബിൽഡിങ് കെട്ടി ഉയർത്തണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ്റെ പുറത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ അഡ്വാൻസായിട്ട് സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്യണം. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു വന്നത് ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് എ ബിൽഡിംഗ്, തുടക്കം മാത്രമേ ഒരു ടീച്ചറിനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു അഡ്വൈസർക്കോ തരാനൊക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. ഫർദറായിട്ട് ക്ലാസിക്കൽ മ്യൂസിക് പഠിക്കുന്ന പോലെ, പെയിൻറ്റിങ് പഠിക്കുന്ന പോലെ, മറ്റേത് ആർട്ടും പോലെ ഇത് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് പഠിക്കുന്ന പോലെയല്ല. ഓരോ ദിവസവും മണിക്കൂറുകൾ മെനക്കെട്ട് സമയം കണ്ടെത്തി ഇതിൽ നിങ്ങൾ അർപ്പണബോധത്തോടുകൂടി പ്രവർത്തിച്ചെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ സ്പോക്കൺ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ മാസ്റ്ററാകാൻ കഴിയുള്ളൂ. അത് വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും നിങ്ങളെ ബോധ്യപ്പെടുത്താനാണ് ഇത്രയും ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്. താങ്ക് യു.